Hey, so we're back with Drinks with Rob, and we are on with the most famous bartender in the world, also an amazing actor, Ted Lange. And you know him from being on Princess Cruises on the Love Boat, playing the wonderful Isaac character. So welcome.
Thank you, Rob. Happy to be here.
Oh my goodness, so we're gonna make the cocktail that I believe that your story has inspired, taking taste into tale and building the Isaac Italian Sunset Martini. The ingredients are 1 ounce vodka, 1 ounce Aperol, 3/4 ounce lemon juice, 1/2 ounce simple syrup, and give it a disc of lemon. Are we ready?
Hold on. I don't want my wife to know what I'm doing. Okay.
I love it.
All right, I'm ready now.
All right. This is work. This is what I do for work.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna take our little mixing glass right here.
Uh-huh.
We have our jigger right here on this side.
Got it.
And we're gonna take the vodka and fill up 1 ounce, the big side of the jigger, which is about 1 ounce. And we are gonna put that 1 ounce right on in.
Okay.
And be dreaming of our next ingredient, which reminds me so much of your career, your dynamic career, and also your beautiful jacket, which I remember very well from watching the show.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
This is the Italian Aperol. So it's in the Campari family, but it's very pretty and almost old world Italian oranges. And we're gonna go 1 of the big side of the jigger, which is 1 ounce, and put it right on in. Great.
Okay.
Great. Now we're gonna take this lemon, the lemon juice here, very quick. So we're gonna just take the other side, the smaller side of the jigger, and we're gonna fill it up to that top part of that small side, so it's exactly 1/2 ounce.
Okay.
And then the last bit we're doing here is the simple syrup. We're just going to use a little bit of this, which is in that nice bottle there. We're going to take the small side and we're going to put 1/2 of it in there in the small side. And I work with a lot of great chefs, and for us, we try to take the sugar out or just use very little bit in a cocktail.
Gotcha.
So now we are ready to shake it up. I see you have come wearing your shaking jacket.
Yes, I am. Very much so.
Let's do it. Let's ice this
I'm going
up.
to put some ice in here. Shall I put some ice in here?
Yes, go right ahead.
Okay, put some ice in there. And I'm
we
going to put
are
this in.
ready to
All
cover
right.
it up
Yeah.
and do that Love Boat shake, baby. Oh,
Shaken, not stirred.
yeah, that's right. That's right. And then we have our here. We are going to go ahead and take out a nice, speaking of shaken, not stirred, a nice martini glass.
All right.
And we are going to go ahead and pour it into that martini glass. So we have our strainer on top, and we're pouring right in. And that beautiful color.
Excellent.
Excellent. We have the last bit as we have our lemon peel that you've already done, and we're just going to use the outside, which is the oil, to the outside of the glass. And just squeeze it and put it right on in. And this is on all Princess Cruises. This is the Italian Sunset, or as I like to think of it as the Isaac Italian Sunset Martini.
Yes, thank you.
Absolutely. Let's give it a shot.
Okay.
And then after the shot, though, I'm going to need to see the 2-finger move.
All right. Mmm.
Yeah! That's
That was
awesome.
good.
I love it.
That was good.
Thank you. That's good stuff. Hey, that was so much fun. Ted is an absolutely amazing guy. His stories will blow you away. I mean, between Muhammad Ali, Janet Jackson, Tom Hanks, and Lee Majors, feel free to check out the whole thing. It is absolutely, absolutely amazing. The link is in the description, so go right there, or just go to my YouTube channel, Rob Floyd. Please feel free to like it and to subscribe. Until then, cheers and sip boldly.